everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a recipe, and which is the chicken kebab skewers. So but before I go ahead, I would quickly talk about my shopping board. So basically this is a non-slip shopping board, and I love it so much. It's so pretty. I actually got this from the pound store. The colors, the shape, the apple shape, and all that is so pretty, and it's actually a non-slip, like I said. So yeah, I love it so much. It's so pretty, guys. So for my recipe I'll be making use of the bell peppers, and I have here the green bell pepper, the yellow bell pepper, and the red bell pepper. I would also be making use of my onions. So I would go ahead and chop all this into pieces, and ready to be used. So this is the finished look, and I would go ahead with my next recipe, which is the chicken breasts. So you need a chicken breast for this recipe. So here I've washed my chicken breast, and I would be cutting them into chunks. So this is the finished look. I would go ahead and spice up my chicken. I'm using the grinded ginger, grinded garlic, mixed herbs, just to add some flavors, and I'm using the curry. I'm using a seasoning cube and a salt to add a taste to my chicken. I'm also making use of half spoon of vegetable oil, just to give it a very good marinating kind of texture. So I would go ahead and make use of my foil. I'll cover this up and put it into the fridge just to set and probably make it marinate properly. So yeah, I'll go ahead and wash my skewers before using it. So after all that, I have to start putting them into my skewers. So yeah, I would be frying my chicken kebab. So yeah, I added my oil to the pan, and I'll go ahead and fry them. You have to keep turning them so on a low heat so it doesn't get burnt or something. So just to make sure it looks very tender. So yeah, this is what my chicken kebab skewers recipe is all about. I really hope you like this video. So this is it. Kindly please subscribe.